fashion design, graphics design, 3D design, merchandising, quality team, on-time delivery, low minimum order quantity. This is the challenge for new startup company, clothing business owner, clothing brand, boutique house. But what is the solution? Last 10 years, I am working in garments industry in Bangladesh. Hi, I am Mehdi Hassan, fashion designer and CEO of the DTech Studio. DTech Studio is end-to-end business solution partner for your business, brand, startup, and boutique house. Basically, we have in-house fashion design team, 3D graphic design. We have the merchandising for costing and quality for the QC team and on-time delivery. This is the opportunity for your brand, and we are accepting the low minimum order quantity below 100 to up 1000 and lakh piece. We have three categorized: factory, need, denim, and oven. If you are really looking for this of service, DTech Studio can be your business partner and trusted partner. So contact with us for your business development purpose. We are always open for you. Thank you.